Me. I was gonna say, Priya, how do you put on?
No, I'm not doing it right. Yeah, just spread it out. Now it would be nice if you had a lip liner. But they,
What is a lip liner?
and this is your client stuff. Yeah, yeah.
What is a lip liner?
A lip
Is it a-
liner
that pencil?
Yeah.
These pencils all look the same.
It's a nice color. Yeah, you can have this one. It's your client's. I don't like that color.
Why? So that does it look nice? Why does it look like
Mix up.
someone's butt? No, this is dry skin.
Yeah, dry lips.
Put it properly.
She got, but now she can put it on herself now. She
I'll
got
go
it.
to the loo and put it on. So it doesn't look bad.
I gave
This
you
one.
L'Oreal. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline.
This one my sister must not see it. Thank you so much, my friend. She's like, no, you're gonna wear this. We're gonna wear pink. And her dress was so cute. Yeah, okay. Let me do this thing.
Why do you do this to me? I'm busy.
Okay.
I want to show you something. Hello. Be in my bonnet. Look here.